questions so that you can easily solve them. And now I have to use complete board as the questions are lengthy. Now question number 2. X minus 5 bracket square minus in bracket 5x minus 25 minus 24. Now in this question nothing is common, but from this you can take 5 common. So here again I write next step x minus 5 bracket square minus, from this you can take 5 common, divided by 5, x minus 5 then minus 24. Now check this same. So what you say, replace it. So put x minus 5 equal to y. You can take ABCDM for your small letter. Now, so here that is y square minus 5y minus 24. Now we want two numbers whose the product is 24 and subtraction is 5. Product 24 and subtraction 5. So if we check the numbers, for your convenience, 24, 1 into 24 subtraction 23, 2 into 12 subtraction 10, 3 into 8 subtraction 5. Yes, we got the numbers that you required here. 3 and 8, or you can take 8 and 3. Now their signs. When product is negative, out of these two numbers, one is positive, one is negative. Now we have to decide which one positive, which one negative. This sign for greater number and remaining sign for another number. So here we will get y square minus 8y plus 3y minus 24. Now from these first two, what you can take common? Only y common, y minus 8. Take what you sign? Write on this sign. From these two, what you can take common? 3 common, y minus 8. So here y minus 8 remaining y plus. So we got the factors now. But in terms of y. But your question in terms of x. So here we put x minus 5 equal to y. That means instead of y, write down x minus 5. So in this bracket, x minus 5, this minus 8. Here x minus 5 plus 3. Here replace by x minus 5. Or here replace x minus 5 equal to y. So here you will get x minus 13 and here x minus 2. That are the final factors. So in this way we get final factors. Okay. Now we proceed further. From 3.6 I am considering question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. X square minus 6x bracket square minus 8 into x square minus 6x plus 8 minus 64. If we read the question from starting, we get confused. So lengthy question, but don't get confused. First of all, check something is common with us. This portion is same. So replace it. This very same portion, replace it. Put x square minus 6x equal to m. Okay. You can use any variable other than this x. So here equal to here it is m square minus 8. Now this portion is m, and this remaining is m plus 8. Only this portion is m, so remaining as it is, and then minus 64. So here what will you get? M square. Now multiply this bracket by minus 8. Minus 8m minus 64, again minus 64. That is m square minus 8m minus 128. Now that is your quadratic trinomial. Now we want two numbers whose product is 128 and subtraction is 8. Now it is 1 into this, so there is no need to multiply. Otherwise, if this number multiply. So product 128 and subtraction. So here, let's take this method. Product this number, this side, subtraction this number. So product 128 and subtraction 8. If plus sign, we will check addition. Minus sign, check only subtraction. So here, let's start from 1. 1 into 128, subtraction check. Take 2 into 64. 4 into 32, check subtraction. 5 not possible, 6 not possible, 7 not possible, 8. Just divide by 8. 8 into 8 2s are, so 8 1s are 8. 4 8 48, 60. Okay, so here we got this number 8 6 are 48. 60 minus 8, yes, we got the numbers now. We got required number. So here, for our convenience, I am writing here 128. Now sign is minus. Now we want two numbers. We got numbers 8 and 16. But whenever there is a minus sign, then out of these two numbers, one number is negative, one number is positive. Anyway, now how to decide? This sign you have to give for greater number. Remaining sign for remaining number. So here you will get m square plus 8m minus 60m minus 128. Okay. Now from first two numbers, what you can take common? Only m common. So here m plus 8. Okay. Then what are this sign? Run this sign first. Now from these two, what you can take common? You can divide it by 16. So we have 16. So if minus sign and 60, that means you are taking minus 60 common. So divide both of them by minus 16. So here divide by minus, it becomes plus, that is m. And this, whenever you divide by minus sign, change both the signs. This minus becomes plus, this minus also becomes plus. Now divided by 16, you get 8. Now that is same bracket. M plus 8 same bracket, remaining m minus 60. We got the factors. This bracket is factors, but we got factors in terms of m. But we have started with x. So here again replace only 2. Replace x square minus x equal to m. That means instead of m, write down x square minus x. So what will we get? Here x square, 6x here, x square minus 6x, x square minus 6x, and this plus 8. First bracket, second bracket, x square minus 6x minus 16. We got these two. Now, if we consider only one, that is quadratic trinomial. That is also quadratic trinomial. So, can we factorize this? Product 8, addition 6. Yes, there are numbers. Product 8 and addition 6. 4 2s are. Now their signs, product positive. So both positive or both negative. Minus side, both negative. That means 4 and 2, both negative. So here, using square bracket, simple bracket, x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Now here, product 16 and subtraction 8. Yes, your number? Yes, 8 2s are. 8 and 2. Now they sign product negative. So one number positive, one number negative. So this sign goes to greater number. So here 8 and 2. 16, subtraction 2. So this sign for greater number minus 8 and plus 2. So here x square minus 8x plus 2x minus 16. Okay. Now we have to factorize further. Now next stage. Now here I am using this complete board. Now this complete board. Using this complete board. Now I use square bracket. From first two, what you can take common? only x common, there remains x minus 4. Now minus sign, okay, minus sign. From these two 4s are so 2. That means you are taking minus 2 common. So divided by minus 2, there remains x. Divided by minus 2, there remains minus 4. Your first bracket is complete. Now second bracket. Again I am using square bracket for second portion. For this first two, what you can take common? Only x. So x common, there remains x minus 8. Now plus sign, okay, plus sign. Then from these two, take common. You can take 2 common, yes. So 2 plus 2 common. So divide this by plus 2. So that is x, and this divided by 16 by 2 minus 8. So we have taken common. Now same bracket, write down only once. Now these two in the next bracket. Now here same bracket only once, and these two in the next bracket. So in this way we got all the factors in terms of x. I think you understand all the question. Now if you want, I can take question number 4, and then what are questions in your problem set, all you have to practice as a homework. So here I am considering question number 4 also for your convenience. That is last question from this 3.6, and then we will stop and your chapter will be completed. Question number 4 from 3.6. X square minus 2x plus 3. Next bracket, x square minus 2x plus 5, and then minus 35. Now you will decide, in this nothing is common. No. Check this. Check this. Same, that is common. Put x square minus 2x is equal to m. So here what will we get? That is m plus 3. Again m plus 5, and then minus 35. Now you have studied product of these two brackets in standard 8 and earlier of this product of this bracket. So m into this bracket, m plus 5, then second number plus 3, again same bracket, m plus 5, and then minus 35. So if you simplify this, m square plus 5m plus 3m plus 25 minus 35. So that is m square plus 8m minus 10. We got this one, m square plus 8m minus 10. Now can you further this? Any mistake? Yes, I made a mistake. No. M plus 3, m plus 5. So here 3 5 is 15. I made a mistake here. 15. So here 20. Okay. Mine. Now that is your quadratic trinomial. We want two numbers whose product will be 20 and subtraction will be 8. Two numbers, product 20. So here minus 20, 10 to 1. Okay. Subtraction and 10 minus 2, 8. Now signs. When product is negative, out of these two, one number is positive, one number is negative. Now from this sign goes to greater number, and other side goes to remaining number. So here m square plus 10m minus 2m minus 20. Now from first two, you can take only m common, m plus 10, then minus sign and minus sign. 2 1s are 2 10s are, so 2 common. That means you are taking minus 2 common. So divided by minus 2, there remains only m. Whenever we take minus sign here, change both the signs. That's all. And then here plus 10. So here factors m plus 10 in the first bracket, and then m minus 2 in the second bracket. We got factors in terms of m, but your question that is in terms of x. So here replace x square minus 2x equal to 1. That means instead of this here, write down x square minus 2x, so you will get x square minus 2x plus 10. First bracket here, x square minus 2x minus 2. Now both are quadratic trinomial. Try to factorize them. If possible, make factors. If not possible, then keep as it is. So here, next step I am writing upper on the upper side. We have too much to do now. Now here, can we have some numbers whose the product is 10 and addition 2? No. Product 10 addition 2 not possible, so we cannot factorize it. And here, product 2 and subtraction 2? No, not possible. That is your final answer. That's all. So here, your 3.6 is completed. Now, what are your remaining questions from your problem set? Problem set 3. Homework. Complete this homework on your previous knowledge. Okay? So today we stop here.